You cannot dance. I'm holding the guitar. Do not hold her. Like that, huh? Yes, that's correct. Okay, Papa's turn. Like that, huh? No, your hand is there. Papa, huh?
Lian will sing.
Oh, okay, Lian's turn.
The shoulder.
Yeah, if you hold here, no sounds. No, see, if you put your hand here, no sound. So, do it. No sound, see? Because, yes, because you're not holding here, man. That's why there's sounds. I'll show you. See, Papa, oh, look, oh. See, huh? Sing. Okay, sing, Juliana, sing. Ah, you want Papa to sing? Okay. Okay, Papa will go there. Okay. Dapat kapit racing.
Yes, Lian fixed that one.
Okay.
Sing na, Lian.
Why you fall down? Okay. You want to sing and dance? How to sing that song? What? How to sing that song? I don't know. Keeping it. One little princess jumping on the bed. One fell up and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Oh, you're not monkey. Okay, sorry. No more Juliana jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. Oh, sorry.
She's not a monkey lagi, Papa.
One little Juliana jumping on the bed. She fell up and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more Juliana jumping on the bed. Again?